Right, that's one front wheel all riveted up round there. Some nice round heads there. Now for the next one. Right, I'm just getting the second wheel ready for riveting. What I didn't say is each spoke on both sides of the hub is drilled and tapped with countersunk holes before the plates go on. Right, that's the second wheel ready for riveting. Right, so there we've got two fully riveted front wheels. Nice round heads. Honestly, they feel really bloomin' solid. I'm pleased with how they went. I can put these aside now and start the next part.